Hello, my name is Dr. Pune Lari. I'm going to be with you throughout this course, and I'm here to help you as you navigate through it. The easiest way is to reach me via email, and you can find additional information about me in the faculty information area. Everything you need to know about this course is right here in the Getting Started area, where your course should open to. But most importantly, what you'll find are the 5 lessons, starting with Module 0, which is the place to start. Module 1 through 4 are the actual lessons. Every week, in each lesson, you will have some text to read, a video to watch, a short case study to tackle, and last but not least, a discussion board to participate in. It's important to read and participate early and then come back and respond to other students in the course. This will help you internalize your learning and link it to your own experiences. Additionally, we have a journal that will keep through this course. You will be able to find information about that in Module 0. It's important to get started with this journal at the very beginning of the course. This journal will follow you all the way through the course, and it's worth 10% of your grade. I hope you have a great learning journey. I'm here to guide you. Thank you so much. Please contact me with any questions that you may have. Thank you.